Want to make $1,000 with Instagram in the next 7 days? Stay tuned and watch the video till the end. So guys, what's up? Welcome to a new video. Today I want to share with you how to make $1,000 Instagram in the next 7 days. And the crazy thing about this is you don't even need an Instagram account. Yes, it's true, you don't need an Instagram account. You don't even need knowledge in growing an Instagram account. This is super simple. And I've done this myself multiple times already, and I'm doing this every single month. So here is the solution, and it's only 3 steps, okay? So let's get right into it. Step number 1, you go into different Facebook groups that are about Instagram, or you go to Telegram and join certain Instagram marketplaces, or you go on platforms like fameswap.com. And what you're doing is you're just asking around if anybody has an Instagram account, an active Instagram account, this is extremely important, with at least 50,000 followers for sale, okay? Now, this might take 1, 2, or even 3 days, okay? But after that, you're probably going to get some answers, and people are going to send you the usernames, statistics, and everything that you need, and also prices for those accounts. So that's step number 1. Ask around for accounts and collect as much information as possible. Step number 2 is, once you have found one or multiple accounts, all you have to do is post on your Facebook, on your Instagram account, on YouTube, wherever, on Telegram, I don't know, on WhatsApp maybe. Post and say, hey, I've got this account for sale. It has 50,000 followers. It's growing 500 followers a day, whatever. Just some information about the account and maybe a few reasons to why somebody should buy this account or what they could do with this account. For example, if you have a travel account for sale, you would say something like, hey, I've got this cool, this active travel page for sale. You can even get with this free hotel deals worth $200 a night. DM me for more information. This is really important. You want people to message you or comment, and then you go ahead and message them to have a private conversation. And then all you have to do is, and this is step number 3, is basically just negotiate a deal, okay? You will negotiate a good deal with your with your seller, so the person you buy this account from, and then you would just think about, hey, okay, how much money do I want to make with this account? Tell that the potential potential buyer, and then that's it. All you have to do after that is, once you guys or all parties accept on a certain deal, then what I usually do is I collect the money from my buyer, and then I pay my seller to get the account, get the login information for the email. This is really important, the original email, and also the account itself. Or what I've done in the past also sometimes is I collected 50% and gave the login information for the account. And then after I collected the rest, the other 50%, I provided the login information for the original email. Because even if that person would try to scam me, I could still get the account back with the original email. So there you have it. That's the absolute easiest way to make $1,000 with Instagram without even having an Instagram account and with no knowledge in Instagram whatsoever. All you need is an account that is ready for sale, a buyer that wants to get it, and then negotiate a nice deal. So guys, hope this was helpful to you. Hope you guys are going to start using this way now and make thousands of dollars a month, okay? So if you want more information like this, more tips, tricks, strategies, everything about Instagram, just make sure to subscribe somewhere over here, there, I don't know, and turn on that notification bell to receive a notification every time I upload a new video. So thanks so much for watching, and hope to talk to you soon. Bye.